Hi, looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Just a quick handover video of your bailey. So your box on the back with your camera on the bottom. As we wander around the driver's side, this is your toilet cassette, which is accessed by lifting this lever up, pulling it out. Now this won't come out when the grey lever inside is in the open position, but I'll show you that when we get inside. So we'll take that to the site, turn this nozzle round, unscrew this panel, and then put it in the septic tank of the site you're in. This is your toilet flush fill, so you fill that with your water, and that's for your toilet flush. Your gas locker, your electrical hookup point, your driver's door with your standard controls, your reverse camera screen up here, and 6-speed cruise control, electric mirrors, electric windows. You've got 4 settings on your mirrors here, as you see, because you've got a top mirror and a bottom mirror. So you've got 2 for this side, 2 for that side. And then we've got it parked up for safety and to prevent any damage, you just fold the mirrors in. As you wander around to the passenger side, again the same idea with the passenger mirror. Your fuel filler cap is down here and your AdBlue down below. Comes up on your dash to tell you when your AdBlue needs replaced. And then your bonnet release is down here, should you need to get access to the bonnet. This is your boiler flue, so make sure that doesn't get covered, otherwise your boiler won't light. You walk to the rear of it. Up there you have the hook for your canopy awning, and this is your awning winder here. It's inside this garage location here. You can just put that through the hook there and just unwind it, and your legs are inside. Underneath here you have your boiler, hot water tank, the cushions for your extra bedding, and your carpets for inside it. This is your outside TV point. Your water fill, just fill it with an ordinary garden hose. And I've since found out that these are for shoes. It's a shoe rack. You put the shoes on there, and that's for keeping your shoes nice and handy. So, to the right hand side of the vehicle, you've got your microwave, your 3 gas burner, your oven grill, your wash hand basin, your bed, which slides out to give you the full length bed, your vanity mirror, wardrobe this side, wardrobe this side, and you can access that locker outside by lifting the bed up, and you can access it from inside as well as outside. To see your carpets are there, your cushions for the extra bedding, your TV point here, so you've got the benefit of it's fixed onto your shelf for your bed, magazine rack, your fridge. As you can see on the front of the fridge, you've got 3 settings. You've got mains, battery and gas, which means that you can run it off them all. Your cold setting, and then your igniter for your gas, if you're going to run it on gas. Inside your toilet, so as I said to you, your flush is up there, and you can see down here, that's locked. So on the front here you've got this grey lever. So this grey lever goes to the side, and that opens your toilet and closes your toilet. This has got to be closed for outside to come out. It won't come out and it won't go back in if it's open. Vanity mirror and cabinet, your light switch, your shower curtain goes round here to keep you in there in your wee wet room. Your front bed is made up by halving this table leg here, hooking it on that bottom hook there, and that gives you the base for your bed. And then you use your cushions there, and then this bit here slides out there, and this makes a full bed in this area here. I'll have a wee look, because I'm sure I've seen a YouTube video about how it was constructed. And then that's your extra bed in the lounge, and underneath here is your main boiler. Under this partition here, bit of storage, and under there's your leisure battery. And this is your main control panel. So on here you've got your light switches, carbon monoxide smoke detector. Press that button, turns your panel on. You've got your water pump here. You need to use your water pump when you want to use your tap or use your shower. And then you've got your light switch here for turning on your lights, and your external light, and then you go through your options, tells you how much water is in your waste, how much water is in your fresh water, your settings, the temperature of inside the van, which comes from this wee sensor just around the side there, so that you need that when you're going to set the heating in the van. And you can change from leisure battery to vehicle battery, and that just cycles through your options, and then you press it to turn it off. Over here is your heating and hot water control, so press that to turn it on. The wee flashing caravan is your heating inside the van, the one next to the thermostat is your water. That's how you're going to power your hot water. So if you go to heating inside the van, set what temperature you would like it set at, bear in mind that you know it's 14 degrees on the panel. Come up to here, to this wee fan, turn that on to vent, come back to here, so you're going to use either gas, a mixture of gas and 1 kilowatt electricity, a mixture of gas and 2 kilowatt electricity, or just 1 kilowatt electricity if you're on a site, or 2 kilowatt electricity if you're on a site. And then your water's the exact same, so you've got eco, which is 40 degrees for washing your dishes, 60 degrees for a shower, 70 degrees for 2 showers consecutively. And again, you would just pick what you want and then pick how you're going to power it. Down here you've got your wee clock, so you can set your clock down there, and then you've got your settings here, which changes your temperature from centigrade to Fahrenheit. The brightness is control panel, 12 hours, 24 hour clock, language or reset. So if you ever get any errors, sometimes you got a wee triangle up there telling you to try to light off gas when you're using electricity and vice versa. If you got a wee triangle up there, just go to the reset down there and reset it. 2 sockets in your kitchen. And as I say, I'll put this panel back off. The one thing I meant to show you outside was the waste drain. As you can see, it's just shutting down just now. So, to empty your fresh water tank, just run it through your system using your pump and using your tap, both your shower, your water, and then you've got your wastewater pipe right here. And it's got a wee tap on the side of it, and you unscrew that tap, turn the tap, and then that wastewater comes out of here. And it's just dirty water, so you can put that through any drain or anything else. Okay, I'll see you soon.